In ancient Kerala, a golden age flourished under the rule of King Mahabali, whose people lived in prosperity. But this golden age worried the gods, who sought help of Lord Vishnu. Disguised as a humble Brahmin, Vamana, Lord Vishnu approached King Mahabali and asked for 3 steps of land. Vamana grew in size, spanning earth and sky in 2 steps. For the 3rd step, King Mahabali offered his head, sacrificing everything. Moved by the gesture, Lord Vishnu granted his final wish to return once a year to meet his beloved people. This is Onam, when Kerala welcomes home their beloved king.
പടിഞ്ഞാറേ പൂപ്പാടം അഴകിൻ പാൽക്കടലായി പരനിറയെ പൊന്നളക്കും പൗർണമിരാവായി പടിഞ്ഞാറേ